Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
So, based on the yogic worldview, what are the ways of attaining well-being? There are 4 ways of attaining well-being, or you can say 4 steps of attaining well-being: Tattva Bodha, Indriya Jaya, Dharma Kriya and Sukhayu Hitayu. Before I explain these, I must acknowledge Dr. Deep Narayan Pandey, and there is an interesting story why I must acknowledge Dr. Pandey in the beginning of this session. I have had opportunity to work with Professor Vishal Gupta in IIM Ahmedabad in offering a session to the student of IIM Ahmedabad. This is an elective course, very well subscribed, on the mindfulness, where he included yoga and also integrated the positive psychological aspect. So, this course was offered in month of October, November. In month of December, a news item about this course was published in a very famous Hindi newspaper, Attaining. In the Panipat edition, this was published. And in Rajasthan, Dr. Deep Narayan Pandey is posted as the chief conservator. He is the department head of the Department of Forestry in Rajasthan. So, he read this news and he read name of mine also in that news item along with Professor Vishal Gupta. He searched my number, contacted me and shared that in his family probably few generations have dedicated themselves for the study and spread of Ayurveda and yoga. His father was a great scholar and he learned most of his knowledge about the Ayurveda and yoga from his father, and he moved on to be a forest officer in his career, but he continued to study in this area. And in the phone call he said that Dr. Pandey, I am very happy to see that this kind of course is being offered in IIM Ahmedabad. I am a student of Ayurveda and I have also written quite a few things, quite a few articles in the newspapers in the different aspect of Ayurveda related to well-being and happiness. And if you do not mind, I will be happy to share that. I said this will be so wonderful, so nice of you, and I accepted all the content he shared with me with a lot of gratitude. So, this lecture draws very heavily from the content I received from Dr. Deep Narayan Pandey. So, these 4 elements or 4 ways of achieving well-being in the human life starts with Tattva Bodh, means knowledge. Tattva, and this knowledge is not information. Tattva means knowing something essentials or knowing essentials of some aspect of life. So, that is the Tattva Bodh. Bodh is realization, Tattva is the essence. So, in the Charak literature, in Ayurvedic literature, it is said that Tattvava Bodho Harshanam Utkrashtatamam. Tattva Bodh is the Utkrashta, very highly important thing for Harsha, for Prasannata, for happiness. Second element is Indriya Jaya. What Ayurvedic literature says that Indriya Jayo Nandananam Utkrashtatamam. To remain inherently happy, Indriya Jaya, control on the senses, is very, very good, Utkrashta, of very good quality. Third is Dharma Kriya. Dharma Kriya Harsha Nimitta Mukta. Dharma Kriya, or working according to Dharma, not religion but Dharma. We have explained this notion earlier as well. It is about inherent internal and external harmony, operating from that space gives happiness. And fourth is Sukhayu Hitayu. Opposite of that is Dukhayu, Dukhayu or Ahitayu. What a yogic tradition prescribes and Ayurvedic tradition explains beautifully is that Sukhayu means life of happiness is also Hitayu, means life of benevolence. No one can attain a happy life without crafting, without attaining, without practicing benevolent life. And if we look at these things closely, actually one factor leads to another one. So, until someone has tattva bodh, he or she cannot have indriya jaya. Until someone has knowledge, deep knowledge, they cannot control their senses. When senses are under control, then only we can do whatever is right according to dharma. And when we enact according to dharma, our life becomes hitayu, which naturally result into sukhayu. Hitayu, again hit means benevolence, care, and sukha means happiness, ayu meaning life. So, a caring life and a benevolent life result into happy life. So, these four elements are connected.